Hello guys, and welcome to 10 in a nutshell. Today I will share with you 10 ways to master lucid dreams, control your reality at night. Number 1. Keep a dream journal. Maintain a detailed dream journal by your bedside. Write down your dreams as soon as you wake up. This habit helps you recognize recurring dream elements and improve dream recall, making it easier to identify when you're in a dream. Number 2. Practice reality checks. Throughout the day, perform reality checks to determine whether you're awake or dreaming. Examples include trying to push your finger through your palm or reading text multiple times. This consistent practice can carry over into your dreams, making it more likely that you'll question reality while dreaming. Number 3. Create a dream-friendly environment. Make your sleep space comfortable and inviting. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. A serene environment promotes relaxation and enhances the chances of having vivid dreams. Number 4. Set lucid dreaming intentions. Before you go to sleep, focus your thoughts on the idea of having a lucid dream. Repeatedly affirm your intentions to become aware you're dreaming. This can prime your subconscious mind for lucidity. Number 5. Try the wake back to bed technique. Set an alarm to wake you up a few hours into your sleep cycle. During this brief waking period, engage in activities related to lucid dreaming, like reading about the topic or meditating. When you go back to sleep, you may enter a dream while maintaining your awareness. Number 6. Explore the world of dream symbols. Familiarize yourself with common dream symbols and themes. Recognizing dream signs such as flying or being in unusual location can trigger awareness that you're in a dream, increasing your chances of becoming lucid. Number 7. Stay patient and persistent. Lucid dreaming is a skill that may take time to master. Be patient with yourself and stay consistent with your practice. The more you work on these techniques, the more likely you are to have regular lucid dreams and gain control over your dream world. Number 8. Experiment with wake-induced lucid dreaming. Wild. Wild is a technique where you aim to transition directly from wakefulness into a lucid dream while maintaining consciousness. It involves lying still while entering the dream state. Practicing wild can lead to vivid and highly controlled lucid dreams, but it requires patience and practice. Number 9. Utilize reality-based dream signs. Pay close attention to dream signs that are specific to your experiences and surroundings. These can be personal clues, objects, or situations that frequently appear in your dreams. When you notice these signs in reality, perform a reality check, increasing the likelihood of recognizing a dream when those signs reoccur in your dreams. Number 10. Harness the power of visualization. Before going to bed, visualize yourself becoming aware in a dream and controlling the dream environment. Imagine the sensation and experiences you want to have while lucid dreaming. This mental rehearsal can help program your subconscious mind for lucidity, making it more likely to occur during your actual dreams. Remember that mastering lucid dreaming is a personal journey, and results may vary from person to person. With dedication and practice, you can enhance your ability to have lucid dreams and explore the limitless possibilities of your dream world. If you enjoyed our content, like, share, subscribe, and comment. And until our next upload, take care.